All right, so here's the challenge. We're gonna have Cody build one of these, starting with just this, wearing a blindfold. So because rig building is such tough work, we're gonna sweeten the deal here and say that if Cody can build this rig with a blindfold on, we'll let him blow off some steam by throwing a rig off the roof.
Nice.
All right, let's do it.
Ow.
What? I think you missed a screw. You missed 2 screws, dude.
What? No way. I don't believe you. I heard that. Move my stuff around. There it is. Did you take my Kaizen knife?
That would be a cool thing to do.
It would. And it'd make the video a lot longer. Quit it.
What?
I can't see, but I'm not dumb.
We're not too sure what happened over here. You all right there, buddy?
Why did that screw go?
Feeling hopeless today? We found the screw. Let's see if he can find it himself. Here it is, the lowly screw. It's here. Oh, yes!
Did you guys take my hard drive? I need a hard drive. I need a hard drive.
Why? I mean, how do you know for sure it's not there?
Because it's not.
I bet you it is.
Oh, I forgot to put that in
So you seem kind of expert at that. If you,
I
Hey!
can make it in the site. If
My
you tell
SSD!
me the price and the...
Magic! Just showed up.
Don't know what's happening there. That little extra.
I don't know what happened there.
bonus.
Got a few little personal touches here, but overall it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the back though, where all the cables are. Because as we know,
This has got to be the hardest part.
beauty matters. All right. Have to say I'm
Wow.
pretty impressed, to be honest.
This is a work of art here.
Pretty good cabling job. And this is all eyes closed.
This is like Beethoven composing a symphony.
Did you cheat, Cody?
No cheating.
No cheating. All right. I actually believe you because we were watching you the whole time.
Well, I don't want to sacrifice one of my rigs. That's all I'm saying.
I think we owe you a rig drop from the roof. How does that sound?
Let's do it.
Pretty amazing.
Did you see the fan? The price just exploded.
I really think you should give it another chuck.
Serious?
Yeah. Time's the charm. Wow, wonderful, it still runs.
Hey, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you've ever been so frustrated that you wanted to throw a rig off the roof, tell us in the comments below.
And building mining rigs is tough work. It's... Dang it, I keep screwing that up.
Like, if you can wire as good as I can, blindfolded, you're hired.
This is sketchy.
Gotta pass quality control, Cody.
Oh, it will. Because I am the quality control.
Cody, what are you doing? It was a joke! Here you go. Here you go. Right here.
What?
It's just a shaving, but you know.